Welcome to Sewing by Lauren. My name is Lauren. I am fashion designer in San Francisco. Today I want to tell to you I want to industry in machine. Sew machine. Yeah, this is sew machine. This is a Yuki. The machine is a Yuki. Yeah, I put the many pin here for my work every day, every time. Yeah, this is the dial. The dial when you turn on and turn off the tire and looser the thread in the front. And this is a bobbin wire. This is the bobbin wire. Yeah, this is the thread called. Yeah, this is a pedal. Yeah, in the bottom. Yeah, today I want to talk to you about how to run sewing machine. Yeah, when you use a sewing machine, you see I do for you, see, huh? When you sew, you turn on the machine. Yeah, you use knee, your knee here, this one and this one. Yeah, I turn for you. You check the thread inside, in the top. See the thread in the top and the bottom. When you pull here, the needle turn up and down, up and down, up and down. You see, up the needle, down, up, down, and this one. You see, that I sew for you. When you see 1/4, half in, 1/4 in, half in, 3/4 in, 1 in. You check this line. Yeah, you check these lines. One quarter in, half in, 3/4 in, and 1 in. You do follow the line. Yeah, thank you very much. If you have a question, you email lauren.taylor57@yahoo.com. Thank you for your watching. You have a good night. Thank you. Bye bye.